Yep. Oh yeah. Hear that? That was the Sonics. We just did a quick blast. That's just 2 generators, right? Yeah, and there's 5 more. Yeah. Plenty. There's no water in there, so we can't turn the Sonics on. Beautiful. All closed up, nice and tight.
Closed?
Yep. Yeah, beautiful. Looks good in here.
Now I'm going to put the bolt cap on just to, while you're up there, and then you'll start seeing those coils start to get cold.
See, we got degreasers everywhere here. Vibratory bowls, if anybody needs a bowl. Yep, yep.
The other good thing about this show, that's a brand new compressor.
Yeah, brand new compressor. That's beautiful. Yep, with brand new charge too.
And fully charged.
Yeah.
Twice. Because when they put that in, they never tightened up the other screws in there. 30 degrees or below would be fine.
Right, the top ring just frosted up. Took a minute or 2. And they'll start frosting all the way down.
0.
Right. Yeah, trim. Okay, so this is the one he's saying is a brand new one. Right, it's the top one that's new, right?
Yep, brand new compressor.
Here's the prints, here's the controls. The prints tell you what everything is inside of here. It's all identified. Everything is all set up to go. They've got all this marked. Right, so right here, this is the dirty solvent out.
Right, going to the still.
Right, going to the still. But you should put a T right there and a valve, and then you could pump it into a drum, or for storage, or if it's dirty, or it could be clean, you can pump it in, and then you're not stuck with pumping it only into the still, or draining it from the other side, another port. You'll have a pump that can pump it.
Yeah, you can put another pump box on the other side if you want. Put the power on. Put the switch up.
What's that little switch again?
This is for the solenoid to start the compressor. Once that gets started, put that down, it will. When that comes back on, that'll start getting everything nice and cold. Then what they would do is, this would be on auto, because it's going to take the fluid from there, put it into here, and once it's all, when the light goes off, then they come over, put the heat on, and it should do its thing. That's basically all they have to really do. They're going to have to hook up. You stay on that side.
All right.
They're going to have to hook this wire back in, because that's for the pump. And then they're going to have to run a pipe from here to the pump. This will be the end. Right here.
Yep.
And then the out, this from here goes in over there where that T is.
Right.
That's to bring the fluid back.
Gotcha.
And that's straightforward. I mean, this is all they have to do. So all we're going to do is wait for this to go back on. See, like, this is controlled you see the numbers here.
Mm-hmm.
So this is going to go on and off when by itself. I mean,
Yep.
it's probably cold now. That's why it's not going on.
Yeah, right. I see. It's all,
But it will go on.
it's at negative 20 now.
It'll go on. And then what they'll have to do is, it's self-explanatory. Right down there, it
Right.
tells you how to cut in and out on them. Straightforward.